In this video, we will learn what it means when you say an article is peer-reviewed. There are many different ways to publish information. A person can post an article to their personal blog without any review or oversight by outside parties, or information can be published by a popular magazine where the author may work with an editor who is responsible for reviewing many types of content. In academic publishing, which is also known as scholarly publishing, some articles are published through a process called peer review. In this process, the author submits their article to a publication, often called a journal, and the editor of that journal first evaluates whether the article is a good fit for their journal based on the subject, style, and other factors. The editor then removes the author's name from the work and shares it anonymously with other experts in the field so they can review the work and determine if it is worthy of publication. In this review, they are considering whether the work is original, significant, accurate, based on sound research methods, and contributes to the knowledge in the field of study shared by the author and these experts. This process is called peer review because these experts are the author's peers in the same field of study, and they are charged with reviewing the draft article. When they review the draft article, they can either say that it should be rejected, accepted, or accepted with revisions, which means that the author must make certain changes to the article before it will be published. In this system, many articles are rejected and even more are revised based on peer feedback. Because drafts must go through this evaluation process, articles in peer-reviewed journals are often more reliable and respected than those in other publications. This process is meant to ensure that only the best articles are published in academic journals. This is why it is important to consider whether an article has undergone the peer review process when making a determination about whether it is reliable and should be used in your own research projects. If you have questions on this or anything else, please ask the library.